weather. West Central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Eastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Downingtown to North Star, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations affected include Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Toronto, West Norton, Westtown, Downingtown, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Collegeville, Royersford, Trapp, Schwenksville, Newport, Arden, Stanton, Abbeville, Freetown, and Elam. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 306 and 325. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 0. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 12 and 23. For your purpose to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued